Replacing or upgrading a door may seem like a simple home improvement task, but it's one that can significantly impact your home's security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. If you're planning a door installation project in Laurel, knowing what to expect from start to finish can make the process smoother and less stressful. Whether you're installing a new front door, patio door, or impact door, understanding each phase of the project helps ensure you get the best results for your investment. Initial consultation and selection. Every successful door installation begins with an in-home consultation or visit to a local showroom. During this phase, a professional will assess your current door setup, take measurements, and discuss your style preferences, functional needs, and budget. You'll be able to explore various door materials, such as fiberglass, steel, or wood, as well as design options like glass inserts, side lights, and finishes. For homes in Laurel, where seasonal weather changes and security concerns are important considerations, professionals may also recommend energy-efficient or impact-rated doors for added protection and performance. Accurate measurement and customization and precision is key when it comes to door installation. After you've selected your door, the next step is taking exact measurements to ensure the new door fits perfectly within the existing frame or opening. This part of the process is especially critical if you live in an older home in Laurel where dimensions may not conform to today's standard sizes. Once the measurements are confirmed, your new door may be custom ordered or built to spec. Depending on the manufacturer and design complexity, this phase can take anywhere from a few days to several weeks. Scheduling the installation. Once your door is ready, the installation team will coordinate a convenient date and time with you. Professional installers typically provide a window of time for arrival and completion. The duration of the installation depends on the complexity of the job, but most standard door installations can be completed in one day. It's a good idea to clear the area around the door and make arrangements for pets or children, as installers will be moving tools, hardware, and the new door in and out of the home. The installation process. On installation day, the team will begin by carefully removing the old door, frame, and any related hardware. This is done with precision to avoid damaging surrounding walls, trim, or flooring. Once removed, they'll inspect the opening for any structural issues like rot, mold, or moisture damage, which will need to be addressed before the new door is installed. Next comes fitting and securing the new door. Installers will ensure it is level, opens and closes smoothly, and forms a tight seal against air and moisture. They'll use insulation and caulking where needed and install any necessary trim or molding to complete the look. Final inspection and cleanup. After the installation is complete, the team will walk you through the finished product, making sure you're satisfied with the look, function, and fit. They'll also test locks, handles, and other hardware to ensure everything is working properly. Professional installers will clean up the work area, dispose of your old door, and leave your space as tidy as they found it. You'll also receive care instructions, warranty information, and tips for maintaining your new door for years to come. Peace of mind and lasting benefit. properly installed door not only enhances the beauty of your Laurel home, but also improves security, comfort, and energy efficiency. From start to finish, the process should feel seamless when working with a reputable company. Transparent communication, experienced installers, and quality materials all contribute to a stress-free experience and a result you'll love. By knowing what to expect during your door installation project, you can plan confidently and look forward to the many benefits your new door will bring to your home.